Hey friends, welcome back and thanks for watching. I hope you guys are all bundled up warm. We are talking men's gift guide today. It is so cold and we are approaching Christmas quickly. I cannot believe it, but I have already done a 100 gift ideas for men video and it's pretty fit if I do say so myself. So I will have that linked in the description bar and comment section, along with links to everything in this video. You guys are not gonna have to scroll like my storefront or anything. I will have a direct link down in the description bar. So very easy to shop and we will go ahead and get started. Number one, the SKG neck and back massager is just so good. You guys are loving all things massager lately, and honestly, same. One of my favorite features of this is that it is heated. I find that like even with just the neck massager that I have or the foot massager that I have that I've recommended to you guys already, the heat just immediately makes my body like release the tension. And I feel like other ones that I have found, they don't have that feature. So that is super, super nice. I feel like they're also very easy to kind of customize to your liking. They have different settings. So it's really nice that you're not just getting like a basic neutral one standard setting. You can kind of tailor it to your needs. So neck and back massager, the foot massager, anything from this brand, 10 out of 10, cannot recommend enough. Number two, the meter thermometer. We actually use this on Thanksgiving, and I do want to leave like a little asterisk here and say this just because it can be a little bit alarming. So you can actually shove this right into we used it for ham on Thanksgiving, and we had gone online and seen, okay, this is how much time you're supposed to cook it, at what temp, for how long, based on its poundage, basically. And we stuck it in the oven and the timer started. The meter thermometer was sitting there going estimating time. And what it does is basically you tell it, hey, this is what I'm cooking. This is how I want it to cook. And it will go, okay, so this is the goal temperature that we need it to be. And as soon as you put that thermometer in there, it is going to immediately measure the temperature of the meat itself or whatever it is that you're cooking. It's gonna take a minute for it to calculate how much time that thing needs to cook. But I promise you, it will get there. So just trust the process, because again, it is actively measuring your food. Like it is going to give you, hey, this is fully cooked. This is safe now, you're good to eat it. But I was definitely like, oh, it's taking a minute. It's still taking a minute. And then it was like, finally it started going up and up and up. And then it was like it steamrolled. And then all of a sudden it was like, okay, we only have like 15 minutes left. So it was pretty close to what the internet had said, but it was way more exact, which I love. So the meter thermometer, you can get 1 pack, 4 packs. It's totally up to you and who you're gifting for, but I just cannot recommend it enough. It's such a lifesaver for making sure your food is always cooked perfectly how you want it to be cooked. Now, number three is great if you know a man who loves to keep his car very clean, likes to detail his car. They do have the Shark Mess Master with a car detail kit, but to be honest, I mean, I recommend the regular machine by itself. Like, I just think that vacuums, mops, those things can be such, like, you almost feel like they're not gonna be a good gift, but they are the most used items that I own in my house. So why not gift them to a guy, especially the car detailing kit, if you know he likes to keep his car clean. I am very into a super, super clean car, and I have kids. So yes, I'm aware I have to clean my car a lot, but this not only makes it so easy, but the machine itself is easy to clean. So it's not like it's clunky and weird and difficult. It's just simple all around. So I cannot recommend this one enough. I have not stopped talking about it to anybody who will listen. Now, number four, I wouldn't say that like the Hulkin bag is something I see a lot of men use. I do see a lot more women use it, but my dad is the one who is constantly commenting on how cool it is. So I think it's something that like men would get great use out of. It's just not something that I think we see guys use. The Hulkin bag has wheels, it folds flat, it has handles so you can lift it up, it's got a zipper, and personally, we have ours stuffed full of our kids' Christmas gifts right now, and it's in the garage. And even Sam was like, oh, I really like this bag for this. Like, this is actually really cool because it's on the shelf and the boys can't like see the toys sitting there. They're secure, they're safe from all of the elements, but the bag itself is pretty durable. So they have 3 different sizes. I have the medium and large. They have a lot of different colors. I think they even have like a red, but apart from that, they have like silver. I think the more masculine stuff is like just black, but they do have a lot of color options. Pants hangers. Do not discredit these. My husband the other day was like, I need to get more pants hangers. Like, I just know Men are so, I need something that I can use. And that's at least how Sam is. He's like, it needs to be useful. It needs to make sense in my life. And if I was to get him pants hangers, he would be like, this is awesome. Thank you so much. And he would love them and use them constantly. Number 6, if you know someone who either doesn't live in a place where he has access to a grill, or he is, someone who likes to camp a lot, you can use a griddle inside. You don't necessarily just have to use it for camping. Definitely make sure, because some are a little bit better for indoor rated, but my mom actually sent me one the other day, and it is like, I think it's a Ninja brand. It has one side that's like better for grilling, and then one side that's like the flat top. You can get some that have lids. So a very universal gift, again, especially if you know someone who likes to cook food a certain way on a flat top, they make a lot of food, or they want to grill, but they don't necessarily have access to one. Number 7, the Aura ring. My mom actually got my dad this for Christmas, and he is already wearing it. I don't think any of us really actually wait for Christmas to give each other our gifts. This is great for someone who is looking to really just measure their overall health, their steps, their fitness level. I actually have gotten some questions. I did stop wearing mine just because when I was weightlifting, it's a pretty thick ring, and I tried like a cover, gloves, I tried different fingers. It just kept like hitting against my hand the right way when I was lifting weights, and it was giving me some gnarly blisters that turned into some gnarly calluses. So something to think about if you know a guy like maybe weightlifts, but also if he is not someone who generally wears a lot of rings, or he is very specific, like I only wear these two, then don't gift this. Just something to think about. It is a good gift idea for sure, but it still is very specific to the person, because not everybody likes to wear a thick ring. Number 8, Our Place Always Pan. Definitely one of Sam's faves. He likes the mini one because usually he is the one who will make the boys breakfast. He makes them eggs every day, and the mini is perfect for just making them a couple eggs. But they joke that they've done like a million egg tests. Eggs just don't stick to this. Nothing sticks to it. And Sam absolutely loves ours, which is why, again, we have 4. I have said that so many times, but again, I feel like pots and pans or something, you're just like, I don't know if this is a good gift, or it's like, I don't know if it's a good gift for my guy. And it's like, no, Sam absolutely loves them and makes a lot of comments about how much he likes the Our Place Always pan. This little robot grill cleaner is super, super cool. My dad looked into it and was like raving about it one day, and he was like, it's just the coolest thing because it actually cleans and blah, 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 blah. And I just feel like if you know a guy who likes to grill, you can make his life a little bit easier, because that is the one thing, like any person I know who grills out, it's like watching them clean the grill. It is the nastiest thing. So having this to not only let them be able to like walk away and not have to do it themselves, but it's actually doing a good job, is a really cool gift idea. Wine openers never ever fail, and I love a good electric one. Now you can get lots of different cool styles. You can get different attachments. To be honest, I find that like I just use the wine opener the most. You don't need some fancy machine with like 9 different attachment pieces and this and that. Just like get them a bottle of their favorite wine, get them the electric wine opener. It is so easy to use. You literally cannot mess it up, and you just make sure it's charged and it works. Like I've always gotten compliments when I do this as like a Secret Santa gift. I always get compliments on the electric wine openers. An electric face shaver is definitely good. Make sure that you really look into kind of what the guy needs. I know that they're not all made universal, but growing up, I remember my dad used his like every single day, and this is something that Sam has actually requested just this year. He's been like, I just have to shave every single day, and it just bothers me. So if you could just make sure it goes fast, then there we go, and I want one. So something, again, I would not have thought about, but again, he wants it to be like, it has to make sense. It needs to make his life more efficient, and that is something that would definitely make his life more efficient. A Ninja smoker. Let me tell you, we have a neighbor who has a smoker, and I want him to be my BFF, because whenever he gets that thing out, I can always smell it. I'm like, oh, it smells so good. And Ninja is one of my favorite brands just of all time. I feel like they just are up there with like KitchenAid. They make things that are just built to last. So when I did see this smoker, I was like, oh yeah, that is like the most smoked meat gift like ever that you could give someone. Number 13 is actually the SKG neck massager. I meant to mention this at the beginning of the video, but I just keep plugging it in everywhere that I can because you guys are loving this. It is also heated, has so many good vibration, pulse options. You can change different modes. You can turn the voice on or off. Like, it is just the best small compact device ever. This one folds down to be really, really tiny, so it will like fit in a drawer with no issue. And I do say this every time, I used this one time because I had a crick in my neck and I like didn't have motion. Like I was kind of doing one of these, and before the full massage cycle ended, I had full range of motion with zero pain in my neck. So that's literally never happened before. Usually a crick in my neck just has to like wear out on its own, and it's like a day or two. This was less than like 10 minutes, and it was just, I had full range of motion. I felt so much better. I cannot recommend this brand enough. We can't, Sam and I literally fight over our SKG massagers. We have 3. We fight over all of them all the time. Number 14, the Tinco, another thing that, you know, Sam really, really likes. It's a wet, dry mop vac, but unlike the Shark is more of the portable one. You can sit that on a counter surface. You can take it out to your car. The Tinco is really not only inside, but it is very hard floor only. I don't, at least as of now, and they probably exist and I just don't know about it, know of a wet, dry mop vac that you like use inside on your floors that is smart, that can be used on carpet. Tinco is made for hard floor only. You can't use it on your rugs, on your carpet, or anything like that. I have a robot vacuum that I can use on my carpet and hard floors because it's smart and will detect when it's on carpet. But at the current moment, I am not aware of one that you can push and like manually use yourself. So I will look into that. But regardless, the Tinco is just so nice because it cuts the time that we clean our floors in half. So can't recommend it enough. Number 15, this is another like men gift. Sam's all about his knives. I like kitchen knives. I think they're cool, but he's like very particular. So when I see this, I just think man gift. The Ninja knife block with sharpener is actually on my list because I just can't stand a dull freaking knife. And Sam is the same way. He's like, I cannot stand cooking with a dull knife. So I like that this kind of does it for you. And again, it's a Ninja appliance. Ninja just can do no wrong in my eyes. So this is a great one that I'm really hoping Santa brings me this year. Edging tools, very random, but very something that I find that a lot of people have. Like I feel like a lot of people have weed eaters or mowers or whatever, but like an edging tool or even an edging attachment is very specific and different. And I didn't know that until we like bought a house. And I was like, oh my God, the grass around the driveway looks really, really good. And Sam was like, thanks, I edged today. And I was like, I didn't know that was a thing. But now I prefer when the grass is cut to use the edging tool. So again, it's like one of my favorite things to use, but also something that Sam really likes. It just makes the biggest difference, and you don't even think that it will, but it does. So if you know what brand your guy uses, definitely make sure that you are getting that same brand because that is probably like they have a preference. But again, like I just know a lot of people who have weed eaters, but they don't have edgers or the edging attachment. Number 17, an iPad stand is a very random, but very good gift. Sam actually, I could never do it, but he runs, and when he runs on the treadmill, he will literally just like watch shows. I have to listen to like podcasts or something. Like I can't focus on a TV show while I'm running. He will like just turn his brain off, watch a show, and he'll run until the show's over or whatever he's watching is over. And that's insane to me. But he's the runner, and he really, really likes his iPad stand because he can just like, he's able to kind of manipulate it to be exactly where he wants it to be, hold his iPad with no issue. It's not bouncing on the treadmill, and he's able to watch stuff while he runs. So that is very specific, but like also he could use it in the bed if he wanted. So I don't know, I've just never seen one that kind of like stood up like this, and he really loves it. He like looked into a lot, and this is his fave. AirPods, AirPods Max, AirPod 4, anything AirPods, anything speaker, anything headphones, you can't go wrong with when it comes to men. Again, like Sam is just someone who he's just very into headphones. And so I know that like if I was to just do the research and kind of find one that was in a good price point that he could use for whatever activity he does the most, he would love it. Charging pads are always great. I find that specifically for work, Sam really likes his charging pad because it's not like actually attached. So it's a little easier for him to just like use and grab, but also he's not like dragging chargers to and from the house. He doesn't have like a long cord at his desk. I think a charging pad is definitely something that you need to use for a shorter period of time, but still something that's very convenient. So a great work gift to get someone. And then lastly, a drone. I actually got a lot of comments when I shared the drone in like my regular just like gift guides when I rolled those out. People were like, I love the drone. That's such a good idea. I never would have thought about it. And every single person I know that has a drone is a man. I'm not saying there aren't women out there that have them, but I am saying that I don't know any. And I know tons of people who have freaking drones, and they are all men. So it's a great gift. They have a lot of good price points, a lot of different styles. They have some that are just video, some picture, both, some that connect to your phone, some that like have their own. It's just, Lots of different styles, but a great gift idea. And with that being said, we are done with this video. Let me know what other gift ideas you guys want. I do have a lot of other gift ideas, like in my newsletter that I send out every week, on ShopMy and LTK just in general. But if there is something specific that you're looking for, whether it's a price point, a retailer, let me know in the comment section below. Click the subscribe button if you're new here, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.